Hi guys, we're doing the part 2. So
With our butter slimes.
Butter slimes. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my glue.
I'm not going to put any glue because mine's perfect. I'm actually going to put some more paint.
Yours is amazing.
I love my colour. Hey. Just put a little dot of glue.
Because you need it. After this, I'm gonna put a little bit of lotion. Oh, this is
I'm going to put lotion.
Dakota, do it over this.
I'm going to put lotion on, then maybe I can do some paint.
We just have
Because
cheap
I want-
Kmart paint because that doesn't that's not like water based, so it doesn't really dye slime too much. So you have to be pretty careful with it though, even though it doesn't dye slime. Because if it's like a white glue based, it dyes slime a lot. But if it's a butter slime, it doesn't really hold because of the clay.
Mm.
So I love
my butterfly, my butter slime.
we have to chuck our glue out though.
Yeah, so
But
nice
it's
glue.
fine. I feel sorry for the glue. I'm
I
gonna
feel
add my
actually
lotion.
very sorry for the glue.
Do you want lotion?
Yeah, can you put a little bit of lotion?
Squeeze.
Yeah.
A bit more.
That should be enough. Yeah.
I have quite a bit of lotion because I want my slime to be quite soft.
Yeah. Like, I like my butter
Oh,
slime.
guys, ASMR.
soft.
Sorry about my cringy hands.
I'm actually going to go a little quick on mine because
It's
when I put
sticky.
the lotion on,
It gets sticky.
yeah, I wish we could stinky.
Sticky.
I thought you said stinky. And I'm like,
No.
yeah, we should put some sense in it.
Well, my parents don't like scents. Like, it makes their nose go funny, even though I have scent.
I always get some in my nails.
We
or
can
something.
see pretty. I do, but I know how to get it out. I'll tell you after the video how to get it out, okay?
Mhm.
Oh, I love hide.
Same. I'm actually going to put some paint
Same.
in mine because I actually want my colour to be dark. Not like this dark, but I just want it to be like dark. Okay. Okay.
We should clean this up.
Yeah.
Guys, we are just cleaning something.
Just wait a minute. We're going to be right back.
Get quickly. Get it over here too. Okay, get up.
Boo.
Just put
Okay.
keep your hands here.
My hands are a little wet, so I'm just going to wipe them.
Ew, there's a hair in my slime.
Why is there so much hair in your slime? I don't have any hair in my slime. That's good, because I don't want hair in my slime.
No, but
If I do, I will shave all my head. So no hair can get in my head. Now, all my slime.
Oh, that's a lot of paint, Dakota.
Yeah, I want it black. Not black. I want it pink. Like a really nice pink.
I don't want it too dark. I still
I
want
think
it.
that's actually way too much paint, like when you mix it in. Because sometimes when I put only like a little bit of paint on, I smudge it around and it becomes this whole big clunk of paint.
Look at that. Beautiful.
Look,
Paint
I'm gonna
softens
shape it.
slime.
me and Evie are gonna stay up all night.
Yes. Yesterday we stayed up till 1 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. And
Which is actually true.
yes,
We
even
promise.
we also FaceTimed our friend. Her name's Tara.
And Natasha and
And
Shine.
Natasha and Shine. And Natasha and Shine, they were watching this movie called Nun.
Yes.
They said it was a scary movie. We watched only a little bit, and there was people talking, but we couldn't hear it. And then after that,
Dakota, do you want to check our glues out now?
Yeah.
I'm just gonna add a bit into yours. That's it. Okay, I'm chucking my glue out. Make sure. No, don't put it in there. We need to put it in a bin.
We'll put it in.
Yeah. Please don't make that sticky. Oh. Dakota is fine.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't. It was the floor.
I mean, don't.
No, it was my leg.
I can see your tongue sticking out.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
my god.
This is way too sticky. Oh no. Oh no. Okay,
You
I'm
put paint in it.
No, so it makes it too sticky.
Maybe put moisturiser.
No.
Just keep playing around with it. That's what I do.
It's getting really sticky. Look at the color.
I love that colour. Mine's still pink. Hair. I hate hair.
You don't hate your hair.
See, look.
Oh,
I can't really see it.
Oh, I'm not adding any more into this because I don't. Oh, mine's amazing. Look at my
Look.
color.
I know, yours is perfect. Look, I made it into a sausage / poo.
Dakota. Guys, I think we have to go now. Sad life.
Shut your
Bye, guys. Hope you liked the
Bye.
video. Please smash that like button and smash the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time.
Good.
Bye.
Love you guys.
Love you guys. Bye.